case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, the Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia heard the case of Odell v. Stegall, which centered around a dispute between neighbors over a gravel lane. The plaintiff claimed a prescriptive easement, while the defendants argued that the plaintiff's use of the lane would cause damage that they were responsible for repairing. To establish a prescriptive easement, the claimant must prove adverse use of someone's land, continuous and uninterrupted use for at least 10 years, actual knowledge or open and notorious use, and the reasonably identified starting and ending points, line, width, and purpose of the land used. The case ultimately clarified the common law doctrine of prescriptive easements, which the court held should not be favored as they reward trespassers and infringe on the rights of modern landowners. In the initial decision, the plaintiff was awarded damages for intentional interference with the prescriptive easement, tort of outrage, and invasion of privacy. However, the appellate court found insufficient evidence to support these claims and reversed the verdict. The court denied the claim for prescriptive easement and vacated the claims for intentional interference, outrage, and invasion of privacy due to insufficient evidence. As the defendants' actions were found to be lawful, the case was returned to the lower court for a judgment in favor of the defendants.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.